Hi everyone, today I was in a mood to film another video. Still in the raining season in Japan, and but today is another lovely day. Tomorrow probably it's going to start to rain for a week or something non-stop, so that's why I thought I'll catch this opportunity and show you a park not far away from my house. Just a nice place to walk, gather your thoughts, appreciate the nature that Kanagawa have to offer. So let's go for a walk and see the surrounding. Okay, started to walk. Quite peaceful. A lot of butterflies, if you can see, white butterflies. You say butterfly in Japanese, you say chocho, and that's why you say butterfly. I think it's one of the first words that I learned from some reason. And again, before we're going in, there's some fields. And let's check what's they're growing here. Oh, look like lettuce. See, so nice. Butterflies. こんにちは。何これ、ポテト？おい。すごい。写真大丈夫？うん？
よくできてるでしょ？
はい。
ね。一株から20個。
20個？はい。お、すごい。いっぱい。I'm just throwing all the words that I know in Japanese. Maybe I'll take a picture here. Okay. An action. Okay, scary movie, part 1. Still breathing from the running. Anyway, aside of scary movie, it's a beautiful place. Let's take a moment. Anyway, as I said before, places that as a tourist you're not gonna experience in Japan. 日本語少しだけ。ごめんなさい。はい、ありがとうございます。
奥さんは
今日奥さん仕事。一人だけ。はい。やった。はい。どうも。Okay, I was walking a bit more. I decided I found this spot to sit and drink. It's kind of a small Japanese garden in the middle of the park. I'll drink here the water. Hope you can hear me. Hey. Hey. Can you hear me? If I keep going to do these videos, probably gonna need to buy a microphone or something. I'm not sure how good is the iPhone microphone. Sorry for a sec. It's quite good microphone, but like when I'm riding the bike or when I talk, maybe I want to put some distance between me and the camera. I want to make sure that you guys, here I am again, you guys. Who are you guys? Hopefully some guys, because that would be nice, even if, I don't know, in the future, coming to Japan, can catch up, can show you some of the areas, or even if you are local, who live in Japan, around in Yokohama, or I guess anywhere in Kanagawa. Kanagawa is quite big, but we can catch up to do some hiking. Talking about hiking, I have a very good mate here, Sam, from UK. He lived here, I think, 13 years now, and we went to this hike in Tanzawa Mountain. Tanzawa Mountain, it's actually him. Put the description below. I don't know if that's how he said, but I'll put his link to his Instagram. He's amazing photographer, really amazing photographer, and he takes some shots in Tanzawa. That's his area, actually. Tanzawa, it's him. When I think about Tanzawa, I think about Sam. And it's a beautiful area, and hopefully one day I can take the camera with us, and when we do a hiking, and I'll show you the area. It's hard to climb. Maybe for me, I'm an amateur hiker, but I want to get into it, especially now when summer starts to kick in. And I guess this season, after the rainy season, or like these days, it's very good to climb. When it's getting really hot, well, it's really hot. In Japan, it's quite humid when in summer. They have quite solid seasons, and it's almost like Japan. You know how Japanese is very, everything is on time, train is coming on time. Exactly the seasons, boom, coming, kicking in. And how much I'm talking? Just thought about it. It's a very good place to go into my book, and I don't want to bore you with me reading a book. We'll read the book and I will continue after. Don't know what to continue exactly, but that's the thing. I remember one of the lectures that I thought there was a big butterfly. You couldn't see it on the camera. Eckhart Tolle, on one of his lecturers, said that when you're coming and approaching to lecture, not that I'm lecturing or anything, but just empty your mind, don't prepare any lyrics, and whatever come. And I think it's right. Don't think about anything, and stuff just gonna float. Afloat. What the hell is this? Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Try to read some book. I don't know, I always wanted to do it. And you can hear me now. Let's put the volume down. Yeah, I had a problem with this app that I'm using. The one who takes the two videos, one the front camera and one the back. Not sure why. I think have limited storage, and that's weird because the storage is on the phone. So need to check. It's called Double Take, the app. One minus about this, it's you can't take photos while you're taking the video. So every time I want to take photo, I need to stop the recording. Well, anyway, but overall it's okay if it will film this, because the last video that I took, it didn't film, and that's a bagger. But hopefully this one is for film. I don't know if I told you, but I'm hungry. Damn hungry. And I didn't pack any lunch or anything, so I'm not sure if I told you this, because I did say it in the video that didn't record, so if I did, sorry. I wanted to come back to this place before I'm finishing the video. If you remember, this is like the trees in the beginning when we saw it, and just to sit here, drink another drink of water, and head back. I just used for the first time this remote by Bluetooth that can operate the stick. I know it's probably already old technology, but it's the first time I use it and it's worked. I guess, I hope it's worked. Yeah, I can see it rolling. So another day. Still learning about taking the video, still learning to use this app, this stick, editing, I like to do the editing, so that's not a problem. I think the main thing that you doing video of yourself and walking around is, I think I mentioned it before, is talking to yourself, because nobody's here, and because it's just first videos, and again, I don't know who's gonna watch it, so it's feel weird. But you need to imagine it's like when you're walking and you have your thoughts, just put them out loud. And that's the difference. But take time to get used to it, and hopefully with more videos that I take, I will have more confidence to talk to the camera. I think I'm doing quite well, consider. And again, this is surrounding with nature, so there's no people around. There was a few people walking here and there, but there's still not people around, so I feel freely to still checking if there's nobody here. So again, I want to do some videos around people, around stations, to show you the hustle and bustle between all the Japanese running, and but this COVID-19 is a bit still an issue, as I said, and I'm not sure if they will be happy. I'm not sure if I'm happy to do it. I will go to some local restaurants that I like, and I'll show you the food, because food is it's a big thing in Japan. And I think one of the reasons that a lot of gaijins that's moving to Japan, except of the nature and the nice, is the food. Food is really nice. So we'll do definitely some videos about food. What's the local eat here, what's the gaijin likes, I guess. And yeah, hopefully one day me and you gonna sit here and eat some good ramen. I don't know, maybe I got this, I don't know if it's don't know. Anyway, a lot of anyway, no? Need to cut this anyway. So anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if I get some people view and you have some ideas or things that you want me to walk around and do, yeah, leave a comment. I'm not sure if I'll do it, but yeah.